So you're cutting a video and you're using background music. And of course, the background music can't be at the same loudness everywhere, because when the voiceover comes, the music shall be a little bit quieter. Let me just show you how it's done. Yes, this is it. So let me just turn this back to show you what I did in here. Let's just remove this. And now we have our audio track. You just go on the track and set a keyframe for volume. And now you can open this one. This is the keyframe editor. So what are we doing? This is our intro. There should be loud music. And now imagine here's our voiceover, how it starts. So what we do is we'll click on the music, had our first keyframe. Now we set a second keyframe. And when we zoom in here, we can pull this thing lower. -20 is working well for me. And one thing you could also do is press on the keyframe and add this to have a little smoother transition. You can modulate this. This would be very loud, this would be very quiet, and this is just a smooth transition. Let's listen to it. Hey, so I wanted to talk about and you do this over the whole track. So when you want to make it louder again, new keyframe, then choose your transition time, other keyframe, and just make it louder again and smoothen it up if you would like to. Hey, so I wanted to talk about a keyboard I picked up about a year. It's just that easy. I hope this helped you and see you in the next one. Bye.